Hello everyone, we are going to see about to-do app with TypeScript. First, we want to go to VS Code and then go to terminal, new terminal. First, we want to make a directory. Go to terminal. We want to install npm init. It will install package.json. After that, we want to create a file tsconfig.json. Compiler options. Module common.js and then strict true. After that, we can create a src inside the index.html. To-do list, and then inside body we can create h1 to-do list. Inside that we can have input of type text, id, task input, placeholder, add new task. After that we can have a button, add task, id, and then we can have an unordered list and id of task list. Next, we can create another file inside the source app.ts TypeScript. First, we can take an interface task id number, name is string. let tasks for, and we have to create a function for add task const task input equal to document dot get element by id task input as html input element get element by id. Next const task name task input dot value dot trim if task const new task and then we want to push task dot push new task after that we can render tasks and then we can make task input dot value to empty. Next we can create a function for render tasks const task list equal to document dot get element by id task list. If not task list, then we can return and then task list dot inner html equal to empty tasks dot for each task const li equal to const li document dot create element li dot text content equal to task dot name task list dot append child li and then const add task button equal to document dot get element by id add task button. If add task button then add task button dot add event listener click add task render task. If I save this, next run the following command to compile the TypeScript code. We want to have npx tsc src slash app dot ts dash dash out director src. This command will compile the TypeScript code app.ts into JavaScript and paste the output file app.js in the src directory. Next, to run the application, we want to open index.html and then we want to type start src slash index.html. See, we are getting a to-do list with an input and a button. If I type hello and if I click on add, we want to add in HTML, we want to add the script tag script src app.js. Now if I run this again, npx tsc src slash app.ts. Now we can start src slash index.html. Now if I add hello and if I press, see I am getting an unordered list with a hello. If I click add, see next to the hello, we are getting the unordered list with welcome to TypeScript. Like this, a to-do list will work. Thank you.